Hi, I'm Tammy, and I do math for coffee, and I have an extra strong cup of coffee for this beauty. This is called a complex
Really?
fraction. You start these by just rewriting them so you make sense of it. So the x plus 3 divided by 2x minus 1 is on the top. That's being divided by 16 over x plus 3. Now you just use your fraction rules. I don't know how you learned them back in middle school. It was like skip, flip, multiply, something like that. But when you were dividing fractions, we copy the first fraction as is. We change the problem to multiplication, and then instead of using the second fraction exactly as is, we flip it over. So you can see the 16 was on the top, and down here, the 16 is on the bottom. Now we just multiply fractions like we normally do, except these have x's and stuff. We've got x plus 3 over 2x minus 1 times x plus 3 over 16. So this becomes one fraction where you multiply the numerators. When you multiply fractions, that's the easiest one. You just multiply numerators and you multiply denominators. So we have x plus 3 times x plus 3 over 16 times 2x minus 1. Now, if you forgot how to multiply binomials, I'll put a link up here in the corner. I like to use boxes. You can use foil, but this is how I use the boxes. We have x times x, that's x squared. X times 3, positive 3 is 3x. 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 3 is 9. No matter which method you use to multiply your binomials, you should get the same answers, which is x squared plus 6x plus 9. Now for the denominator, this is distributive property. 16 times 2x and 16 times a negative 1. And that's 32x minus 16. Now, something I didn't point out is if there's any canceling to be done, you would do it at this line. You would see something in the numerator that you could cancel out of the denominator. I didn't do anything like that because there's nothing that cancels. That's actually what makes this problem a little bit simpler. We just end up multiplying everything out. And this is the answer. If you have friends who are in Algebra 2, share it with them and see if they get it. Maybe you'll stump them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.